Varicose veins are enlarged, swollen, and twisted veins that appear blue or dark purple. These veins develop when the valves inside the veins, which prevent blood from flowing backward, become weak or damaged. This causes blood to pool in the veins, making them swollen and visible under the skin. Homemade remedy for varicose veins. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is often recommended as a natural remedy for varicose veins due to its ability to improve circulation, reduce swelling, and promote vein health. ACV is a natural astringent that helps stimulate blood flow in the veins. Improved circulation reduces the pooling of blood in the affected veins, which is the primary cause of varicose veins. ACV has anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce swelling, pain, and discomfort associated with varicose veins. By minimizing inflammation, the veins appear less swollen and twisted. When applied topically, ACV tones the skin and tightens the blood vessels, temporarily reducing the appearance of varicose veins. ACV helps flush out toxins from the body, which can contribute to better overall blood flow and vein health. Coconut oil is a natural remedy known for its anti-inflammatory, moisturizing, and healing properties. These qualities make it beneficial for managing varicose veins. It can relieve symptoms like swelling, pain, and irritation, while promoting better blood circulation and vein health. Regular massage with coconut oil stimulates blood flow in the affected area, preventing blood from pooling in the veins. Enhanced circulation reduces pressure on varicose veins and alleviates swelling. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has natural anti-inflammatory effects. This helps soothe pain and reduce inflammation around the varicose veins, making the veins less prominent. Aloe vera gel is widely known for its healing, anti-inflammatory, and skin-soothing properties. For varicose veins, it can help alleviate symptoms like swelling, discomfort, and irritation, while improving the appearance of the veins over time. Aloe vera contains anti-inflammatory compounds like aloanin and aloin that soothe swollen veins and reduce redness and discomfort. When applied topically, aloe vera gel promotes better blood flow in the affected area, which reduces pooling in the veins. Better circulation helps prevent worsening of varicose veins and relieves symptoms. Aloe vera deeply moisturizes the skin, which is beneficial if varicose veins cause dryness, itching, or irritation. It accelerates skin repair in cases where varicose veins lead to skin discoloration or minor wounds. The natural cooling sensation of aloe vera gel provides instant relief from the burning or throbbing sensation caused by varicose veins. Essential oils are natural plant extracts with therapeutic properties that can help manage the symptoms of varicose veins. They are not a cure, but they can significantly improve circulation, reduce swelling, and provide relief from pain and discomfort. Essential oils like cypress, rosemary, and peppermint are known to promote better blood flow, reducing blood pooling in the veins. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. Add 5 drops of cypress or lavender essential oil to the mixture and stir thoroughly. Clean the affected area with lukewarm water and pat dry. Gently massage the mixture onto the varicose veins using upward strokes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or you can leave it overnight if your skin tolerates it well. This homemade remedy can soothe discomfort and reduce the appearance of varicose veins over time. However, if symptoms worsen, consult a healthcare professional for further advice. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.